Stories with joy, delight, and love through beautiful performance by our little Kidsanians. Igniting the spirit of our theme, let's commit the event by lighting the lamp. I will request our respected directors, Mr. Rohit Arora and Ms. Mukta Agarwal Sharma, along with our branch head of Ms. Anu Sharma, Sector 62, and Ms. Rimi Tomar, Sector 48, come forward for the same.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः त्वं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः त्वं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
Dear parents, Mukta ma'am, Rohit sir, Indu ma'am, Mrs. Rimi, everyone, you are all welcome. With I can see small little bunches of joy are also here with us. So I am giving you a very, very warm welcome and thank you so much for coming over here. Today is our Annual Day celebration. So I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for joining us today. Thank you parents for your unwavering support, to my dedicated staff for their tireless efforts also, and of course to our little bundle of joy. Let's celebrate the achievements together, keep encouraging them and enjoy the event also. Meanwhile, I request all of you to be seated and take your photographs from there only, because we have our photographs over here. So I would like now Ms. Sindhu Sharma to come up stage and say a few words. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Neetu, for giving me this opportunity. A very good morning to one and all present here. Rohit sir, thanks a lot for inviting me to this wonderful event. Let me introduce myself. I am Mrs. Indu Sharma, principal of Mount Litra Z School, located at Greater Noida West. Exactly, the location is in Core City 1. So, why I am here? Because I believe most of you must be aware that Mount Litra Z School is an extension of Kidzi itself. They both belong to the same, they both fall under the same umbrella of Z-Learn. Anyway, moving further, lot of congratulations and best wishes to all the parents sitting here, because your tiny tots are going to perform today, and I can see many grandparents even, and that's, I think, one of the most exciting day in every parent's life, when at this stage the children are performing. They come well dressed up and they ooze out lot of confidence, and whatever they have been told by their teachers. Let me tell you, before the event even begins, 90% of the children will forget what they were supposed to do on the stage, because whatever I say, I suggest, I advise, still most of the parents, I will advise, do not wave at them, do not call out their name because they will be looking and searching for their parents, grandparents, siblings. But parents do have tendency, they keep on waving and that distracts those, tiny tots. I feel they must be coming on the stage for the first time on such a big platform, and by the time they will polish under the able guidance of sir and whichever formal school they go, they will understand that they don't have to pay any heed to the audience sitting and they have to just perform. But yes, today I expect most of them to forget their steps, to get lost in the audience and their eyes will be searching for all of you, and that's very normal. Why I am saying this, teachers get panicked. When this thing happens, teachers, they get panicked, oh, the children are not performing as per the training and the practice. So let's all keep it a cool mind and enjoy the show. They are dressed up beautifully and the theme looks beautiful. Once upon a time, we all have heard stories. And also, while congratulating you all and giving them my wishes for the show, I can hear their sound and they must be getting impatient also. I would like you all to visit one day, someday, to my school, Mount Litra. It's the first session we are beginning the school, just 20 minutes of drive because from 62, if I say, wherever you are residing, I think, Rohit sir, it should not be more than 20 to 25 minutes, very close by. And while coming from the school to this area, I was just having a, kind of recce survey with all due respect to all big schools present here. Exactly, there is not a very big name over here and we represent Z Learn system. So, and our pedagogy and methodology remains the same as KidZ. Each and every day is very well planned with activities taking care of the scholastic and co-scholastic needs of the children. So you must visit my school as well, and I hope next year, if everything goes all right, sir, this annual day will be held there only. I assure you, it's a school very close to my heart, and even, I have to tell you, it belongs to sir as well. He is the owner, I'm the principal, so it's his school. And I have been associated with the school for past 1 year when it was just in its nascent stage. Nascent stage is also a very wrong word because when I joined there was no school at all. It was only land. So gradually we both have seen how it is developing, mushrooming out into a beautiful, inclusive batik school. And with lot of love. And it's running. We are having good number of children. Eventually it's going to be a K-12 school. And please remember, Mount Litra Z School, Gaur City 1 is the first school of Z, K-12 school of Z in Delhi NCR region. So Z Learn team, it's under the chairmanship of Subhash Chandra ji, and they are putting all the efforts to make sure it comes out to be a beautiful, wonderful and a very successful school. So you all are invited informally. I can say any day you can just step in and ask about me, and my team will be there to help you, support you. Take a round of the school. It's at a very, very prime location in Gaur City. And again, coming back to your event, because I'm sure you all interested in your event, not listening to my, we all have our own favorites. So my school remained my favorite, definitely this is also my favorite, and I'm here just because I have decided to be a part of you today and enjoy the show. So all the best to your children and enjoy the show. छोटे-छोटे mistakes को ignore करिए. Teachers का बहुत बड़ा effort होता है, which we generally don't see. They all are busy, must be for last 1 month at least, or 15-20 days or so. So they are taking care of the little ones very beautifully, that everybody performs on the stage, gets the confidence level. That is all these beautiful schools are meant for. So not taking much of your time. Once again, thank you all for giving me this opportunity to interact with you, and all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words and thoughtful insights. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and allow yourself to be transported into a world of imagination and wonder. With whisper of welcome and echoes of delight, our junior KG kids welcome you all to our fairy tale land. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Smile on your face, everyone's happy now. 1, 2, 3, dance to the beat. Everybody dancing now. Dancing, dancing, love to go fairy dancing. Dancing, dancing, happy, happy, having fun. Dancing, dancing, we love to go fairy dancing. Come on and dance with us. Fairy dancing is such fun. Hands on your hips, we're fairy dancing. Round in a circle, skipping, skipping. Swing to the left, then swing to the right. Jump up high, it's pure delight. Everybody's dancing now. Dancing, dancing, we love to go fairy dancing. Dancing, dancing, happy, happy, having fun. Dancing, dancing, we love to go fairy dancing. Come on and dance with us. Dancing, dancing, we love to go fairy dancing. Dancing, dancing, happy, happy, having fun. Dancing, dancing, we love to go fairy dancing. And dance with us. Fairy dancing is such fun.
Wow, what an amazing performance by junior KG kids with Mr. and Ms. Harsh Mohan Batra and Anjali Sharma, parents of Naman Batra, studying in playgroup B, to come on stage and share a few kind words about our organization. And Ms. Sakit and Smita Deshmukh, parents of Shivai Deshmukh, studying in nursery B, to come on stage and share a few kind words about our organization. Parents of Shivai.
Thank you all for giving us the opportunity to present our views regarding KIDSI. So, as you all have done, what we have done is we evaluated all the nearby schools in our area, and we finally got settled for KIDSI because of 3 reasons. Primary reasons were, the first was infrastructure, the second was the curriculum, and the third was the faculty. So, for the infrastructure, we saw that everything, all the basic stuff that is required for a kid school, it was already present in the KIDSI. And for as per as our parents' demands, it's never ending. So we skipped the rest of it. So regarding the curriculum, we saw that it checked all the boxes, and besides the regular books that were there, so we saw that they had fun and engaging activities planned for the kids, and practical knowledge was also in that. So we saw them share very good celebrations like Ganesh Chaturthi, Dashera, Janmashtami, and besides that, the birthday celebrations that they do. We also saw some activities like Health Week also. And we also saw that our kids were involved in the social activities as well. So that was a very good point for the Kids. And for the faculty, I would like to ask my wife to say a few words, because she was the one who was like constantly, like for 1.5 months or so, she used to sit in the Kids school, and for the rest, or maybe 1 month or so, she used to constantly look at the monitor, the screens, to monitor what the kids are doing. So I'll hand over to my wife.
Hi everyone. So thanks for the nice introduction to everyone. So trust me, not only my child, I have seen most of the child staying in the Kisri who was in my radar to see the camera. And I will start with Rohit sir. Rohit sir, for you it's like you have a very good convincing power. You convinced us that Kisri is the best school nearby for our kid, and your convincing power about the trampoline park. That is a very good exposure for our kid to, go outside of the world without our parents, right? So it was very nice experience. We were very scared that it is not a good idea to send our kids in a trampoline park because of, very internet stuff, kids are getting hurt, injuries, and lots of stuff. But he assured us, and I'm sorry to share this, that I'm feeling a bit embarrassed, but secretly, I visited the trampoline area where you took all the kids, and I saw each and every kid was enjoying there thoroughly. And I left in only 2 minutes seeing their faces that they are very happy and safe and secure with them. They don't need their parents to be there. So thank you so much, Rohit sir, for taking so many initiatives like that for our kids and helping them to grow. Next, I will say about Neetu ma'am. In starting, I was like, hey, she's sitting in a cabin, seeing the 36 cameras with the small images. How she can rectify what are the problems in the class, right? But this perception changed, because as my husband told, I was sitting in the school for 1.5 months non-stop when my son was there. And I was seeing her, tremendous efforts towards her kids. She's extremely polite. She's very sweet. And she, helps our kids to be comfortable in the school. One incident reminded me that, yeah, she's the right person for that chair. When I called her, she was on leave, and I called her that my son is extremely in a bad situation. He's crying badly. And she said, ma'am, I'm on leave, but I'm seeing the camera. I already talked to the concerned person, and he's taking care of your son, don't worry. And parallelly, I saw the camera, and yes, my son has been took care very well. So thank you so much, Neetu ma'am, for doing so many efforts in the school for our kids. Mukta ma'am, she came into the picture when we were extremely frustrated. It's been 2 months, our kid is non-stop crying, and very embarrassing. When I enter in a school, many kids say, hey, see, Shivai ki mama. It's like, oh my God, my son is crying badly. Yaar, everybody know about me. Ye to Shivai ki mama hai, ye bahut rota hai. So she was like, Mukta ma'am, we talked to her, like we cannot continue in the school because our kid is not settling. It's been 2 months. We sat together. She helped us. She understood our kid behavior, the environment, why is not getting comfortable in the school, and she applied very small tips and tricks for our child to make him comfortable in the school. And trust me, it was only one day he got settled down. Now, although now also he cries for 2 to 3 minutes when I'm leaving him for a school, and he cries, but after that, he is very happy kid in the school. He plays, he interacts with the kids, and everything is very nice. So, Mukta ma'am, she's an example, and I want to say these words to all the faculty members. If all the teachers applies those tricks and tips for every kid, the transition of our kid from one day of school, the first day of school, the first week, the first month, when they cry, and for mothers it is very difficult to see their kids crying and crying and crying in the school. It will go away if they follow the process what Mukta ma'am did for our kids. So thank you so much, Mukta ma'am, for helping us in that way. And last but not the least, Garima ma'am, I heard she's very nice teacher, but she proved that action speaks better than words. She didn't say anything to me. She just handled my kid starting from the first day, and it's been 1 month. my kid is settled in the school. And thank you so much, Garima ma'am. Like ma'am mentioned about the teachers' effort, I'm also from a teacher background, although now I'm in IT. But I know how much teachers put their efforts. You know, it is very easy for parents to complain about teacher. अरे यार teacher ये नहीं करती, वो नहीं करती class में. But we are not seeing कि हम husband wife होके भी, because many people are in a nuclear family. We don't have our parents or kids grandparents in this class, right? In the home. So हम ना बड़ा easy होता है complain करना, criticism करना कि यार teacher ये नहीं handle कर सकती, teacher वो नहीं handle कर सकती. जब हम husband wife होके एक बच्चे को घर में manage नहीं कर सकते ठीक से, how we can expect कि 15 बच्चे 20 बच्चों को एक teacher या एक नैनी बहुत अच्छे से manage कर पाएगी. कुछ ups and downs आते हैं, हमें उस चीज़ को समझना चाहिए. Instead of criticism, we should appreciate each and every teacher and their effort. So thank you so much, Kidzi, for giving this platform to explain our feelings towards all the teacher and faculty members. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Moving ahead, our next performance is a timeless tale of love and transformation. Cinderella, a beauty shining beyond compare. So parents, along with me say, bibbidi boobidi boo. Bibbidi boobidi boo. And welcome our playgroup A children on the stage.
Ring down, ring a ding dong, ring dong, ring a ding dong, ring down, ring a ding dong, la la Cinderella. Toy for Cinderella brings about the royal ball. Here comes her fairy godmother, waving a magic wand. Carriage, rewind horses, and a gentle horseman, a beautiful dress and shiny glass shoes, ready for the ball. Ring down, ring a ding dong, ring dong, ring a ding dong, ring down, ring a ding dong, la la Cinderella. Toy for Cinderella brings about the royal ball. Here comes her fairy godmother, waving a magic wand. Carriage, rewind horses, and a gentle horseman, a beautiful dress and shiny glass shoes, ready for the ball. Ring down, ring a ding dong, ring dong, ring a ding dong, ring down, ring a ding dong, la la Cinderella. Toy for Cinderella brings about the royal ball. Here comes her fairy godmother, waving a magic wand. Carriage, rewind horses, and a gentle horseman, a beautiful dress and shiny glass shoes, ready for the ball. Ring down, ring a ding dong, ring dong, ring a ding dong, ring down, ring a ding dong, la la Cinderella. Ring down, ring a ding dong, ring dong, ring a ding dong. When the clock strikes midnight, the spell will be broken. The spell will be broken. The spell will be broken. Oh my!
Round of applause. Now I will request Mr. and Ms. Pushpendra Kumar and Shikha Prajapati, parents of Shubh, studying in senior KG, to come on the stage and share few kind words about our organization.
Pushpendra Kumar, and she's my wife Shikha Prajapati. And thank you Kidji for like inviting her. हम यहाँ पर तो पहली बात तो मैं सबको लाइक पूरे किडजी के लिए थैंक यू बोलूँगा. और अगर मैं अपना थॉट बोलूँ तो लाइक लास्ट ईयर मैं नोएडा शिफ्ट हुआ था एंड आई वाज वेरी मच लाइक कंफ्यूज कि मैं कहाँ एडमिशन हूँ, बिकॉज मैं फरीदाबाद से आया था. तो एक पुराने स्कूल का एक अपना एक्सपीरियंस था, तो मैं उससे भी कंपैरिजन कर रहा था. तो यहाँ जब मैं आया तो मैंने किडजी में मतलब पता किया एंड फिर बोलूँगा यहाँ पर जैसे लास्ट पेरेंट ने बोला था कि नीतू मैम, तो शी वॉज द वन जिन्होंने मुझे मतलब पहले बात किया एंड शी इज रियली गुड। तो जिस तरह उन्होंने बताया समझाया और उसके बाद से अगर आज तक देखूँ तो जिस तरह बच्चे को उन्होंने संभाला है मेरे, ठीक है, मैं उनसे हमेशा कहता हूँ कि किडजी एक ब्रांड है, एक अपनी तरफ है, पर एज ए पेरेंट देखूँ तो नीतू मैम एक हैं जिन्होंने बच्चे को अच्छे से संभाला। कभी भी माना कोई बच्चा पैम्पर करता है, बच्चा रोता है, स्कूल में कुछ होता है, तो मुझे इतना टेंशन नहीं होता, मुझे पता है शी इज देयर और वो संभाल लेंगे। और बाकी सारा स्टाफ अगर मैं किडजी का देखूँ, मेरा मतलब बच्चा डे केयर में होता है, तो ऑनेस्टली मतलब शुरुआत में कुछ दिनों तक मैं कैमरा चेक नहीं करता था। उसके बाद से लाइक 1-1.5 महीने के बाद मैं इतना वो हो गया कि मुझे जरूरत नहीं पड़ती मतलब मैं कैमरा चेक करूँ कि मेरा बच्चा क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि एक ट्रस्ट होता है जो पेरेंट्स का स्कूल पे होता है। ऑलमोस्ट पूरे दिन हमारा बच्चा एक डे केयर में है, एक क्लास में है, तो अगर वो ट्रस्ट बन जाता है ना, तो वो चीज़ नहीं आती कि ठीक है मैं कैमरे में भी चेक करूँ क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यही मेरा कहना है कि एज ए पेरेंट्स मेरा ट्रस्ट था मतलब किडजी पे है, और किडजी के अलावा जो वहाँ टीचर्स हैं एंटायर लाइक मैं नहीं मतलब नहीं कहूँगा कि क्लास टीचर या डे केयर का स्टाफ, अगर टीम की बात करूँ तो पूरा स्कूल एक अच्छे से बच्चों को संभालता है। समथिंग?
Yes, hi everyone. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to the Kidsy family, Neetu ma'am, Shivani ma'am, the daycare Gunjan ma'am and Harsha ma'am, everybody. Actually, पहले थोड़ा सा हम लोग मेरे हस्बैंड को ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट था किडजी पे, मुझे थोड़ा डाउट था, मैं तो रेगुलरली कैमरा चेक करती थी। बट हाँ, आज वो सिचुएशन है कि मैं दिन में अगर कैमरा नहीं भी देखूँ तो मुझे पता है मेरा बेटा ठीक है। तो जस्ट थैंक यू किडजी, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. Our next performance with a famous poet by Mother Kautal. The flower that bloom in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. Rapunzel, the princess with hair as golden as sunshine. Dear audience, welcome our tiny toddlers of nursery A with spirits soaring high as that of Rapunzel.
Come on. She's a girl with the best intentions. He's a man of his own invention. She looked out the window, he walked out the door. When she found him and he
I would request Mr. and Mrs. Jigar Chandra and Priyanka Sharma ma'am, parents of Idaya Sharma, Ganeri studying in nursery A, to welcome on the stage and share few kind words about our organization. Sir, ma'am, please.
Like all the kids performing, they are dressed up cutely and we are performing nicely. So thanks to Kidsy and thanks to all the teachers for putting in the effort. So coming to our association with Kidsy, this is the second year that we have been sending our kids to Kidsy. We started with playgroup and as all the parents have previously have told, we were skeptical sending our kids, like a 2-year-old kid to school and daycare is difficult on parents. So we were nervous, we were worried. We still always keep on looking at the cameras, but we are very happy with Kidsy. They have taken care of our child very nicely and we do not want to switch schools definitely. The daycare is amazing and coming to the curriculum, Kidsy doesn't just, educate them with the curricular activities, but also the extracurricular activities, which makes it fun for the kids. Like all the celebrations, Grandparents' Day, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ram Navami, everything is celebrated and kids are happy to, be in school and celebrate and have fun. So it's been amazing with Kidsy and thanks to all the teachers. I think we have mentioned the names of Mr. Ravi, Ms. Neetu, Ms. Mukta. So thank you everyone. Thanks to all the teachers as well.
Same thing. Everything is perfect over there.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Right leg. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Right leg. Left leg. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Right leg. Left leg. Chin up. Turn around. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Right leg. Left leg. Chin up. Turn around. Sit down.
What a cheerful performance. Give them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Yes, to Mr. and Mrs. Harsh Mohan Batra and Mrs. Anjali Sharma, parents of Naman Batra, studying in playgroup B, to come on the stage and share few kind words about our organization.
Hello everyone. Hi, good afternoon.
So my son Naman, he is very naughty. So all teachers are very good. So he handle very well. First day when he going to school kidsy, so he is very cranky. And after 5 days, 7 days, he enjoying very well. And all teachers like Dipti ma'am, Gunjan, and all principals, and of course backend staff like DDs, everyone is very good. So thank you so much for handling my kid because I know he is very naughty. He is not easy to handle his type of kids. Thank you so much.
Fairy Land, where you will meet little princesses and princes who will hold you captive with their cuteness. Kindness, a beautiful princess with spirit that never fades, a heart so pure, a spirit so bright, so yes, you guessed right. It's Snow White. So ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting you Snow White.
Beautiful Snow White, beautiful Snow White, out there is out them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors. Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Beautiful Snow White. Beautiful Snow White, out there is out them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors. Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Beautiful Snow White. Beautiful Snow White, here's an apple, a poisoned apple. Take a bite, a big huge bite. Now fall asleep, a deep deep sleep. Oh no! Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi 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 ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Wake up, Snow White. Wake up, Snow White. Hi ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Wake up, Snow White. Wake up, Snow White. Hi ho.
They are too small. Thus, applause should continue, ladies and gentlemen. They prepare. Thank you so much. Thanks. What a cheerful performance. To request to our director, ma'am, Mukta ma'am, to share a few words. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Dear parents, I welcome you all on the behalf of entire team of Kidsy Sector 62 and Sector 48. Thank you all for your cooperation. The children have been dressed up beautifully and they are doing the acts beautifully. I request you all to be patient throughout the event. We are almost midway the event. I hope all of you are enjoying the event. So, there are just 3 or 4 more acts to go about. I see some of you standing. We have a lot of seats if you can take. Parents, in this, you can come forward. We have enough space on the left and right. So, today's event, the theme, fairy tales, it's very, very close to our hearts. growing up all these years, we've heard of beautiful stories, our growing years, and I know many of you must be reciting these stories to your children as well. Fairy tales, what do they incite? These, the stories, they just incite the fuel of imagination in the children, that nothing is beyond their horizons. They can go and achieve whatever they want to do. Right? So that's what we follow in our schools. Kidsy fosters the children holistically. We cater to their overall development. I hope parents, we've been able to deliver whatever we have promised you all during our admissions time. Thank you so much, parents, for joining. Again, I'm thanking you all for joining us today and making this event a success. Thank you, parents. Now I would like to request Ms. Harsha to come forward and take you through the event. Thank you, parents.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for next dance performance by Senior KG and PGC kids to enter a whole new world of entertainment. Where flying carpet exists and genie grant wishes, where desert meets magic and Aladdin meets Princess Jasmine.
Time, okay? So, I know many of parents have so much to say about their children, their experience with Kidsy. So, can I call someone for meanwhile they can share the experience with us? Should I? I hope there's no stage fear among all of us, because all are we new to the stage also. हमने भी अपने time पे किया है. Ma'am, please come on the stage, please. Wow, I need a huge round of applause for that amazing confidence. Please, ma'am. So here we have our parent of Purvi in Nursery B. Ma'am, please. Wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Okay, I'll start with Kidsy only. When the question came, which school, so me and my husband visited almost every school in the 62 sector. Okay, and we thought like first criteria was the distance and then the infrastructure of the school, curriculum. But the concern was like, how the school runs and how the teachers are. So we did not have any idea. So we just try to see Google reviews and try to check with other parents. So after all this scrutiny, so we decided on Kidsy, and we when we went to Kidsy, Neetu ma'am was there. So she convinced us that this school is good, and what are the things which helped us to decide on this school. And after every after discussing with her and after discussing with parents and everything, then we decided on Kidsy. But when we admitted our kid to Kidsy, after a few days, she started liking her, and because of her, she was every day going to school कि मुझे मैम से मिलना है. So that care and you can say that care was given to my kid, which motivated her to go to school every day. मैंने देखा है like many of the parents struggle with waking up their kids. But मेरी बेटी, when I used to say school, she used to be okay. I want to go. मैं उठती हूँ मम्मा. When I used to say कि अगर आप नहीं कहना मानोगे, I'll not send you to school. So she used to listen to me. So that's the magic of the, I can say, teachers and the Kidsy family. जो मेरी बेटी को motivate किया to go to school every day. So that's the story about my my daughter and me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking initiative. See, we all are one family. Thank you so much, ma'am.
देखो ये है अरेबियन नाइट्स, अरेबियन नाइट्स, अरब का ये देश, अलग शहर रंगी है वहाँ, इसका हर एक भेद, अरेबियन नाइट्स, अरब का ये देश, जो समझे ना बात वो खा जाए माँ सुनसान टीलों पर।
Tantalizing performance. Give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to my fellow companion, Miss Rahi Chaudhary from Sector 48. Rahi ma'am?
Good morning, everyone. I am Rahi of school Kidzi Sector 48. Now let's dive even deeper into the enchanting world of fairy tales. Before that, I would request Mr. Abhishek Pandey and Ms. Deepika Pandey, parents of Advait, studying in nursery, to come on the stage and share few words about our organization.
I'm a bit nervous, so please pardon, and I can think about the kids. So, about Kidzi, I was very reluctant initially. I was not even ready. So, my wife, she tried to convince me, insisted me initially, and we were not looking for any school or any daycare initially because I was reluctant for that. Our neighbor recommended for Kidzi, so I was not looking, I don't know what was the curriculum, nothing. And we simply went there, got to know. And since I was reluctant, I had no expectation, so I didn't look into the curriculum, nothing, no infrastructure. Because our son is enjoying there, I'm just happy. And parents, as someone from the audience mentioned, we should think about teachers, because we are tired, we generally get angry about the kids, or about our own sons or daughters that, okay, we are not able to handle it. How they are handling it for 2 hours or 3 hours, whatsoever time we are leaving our kids to them. So thank you everyone. Thank you from Kidsy family, and if something you want to say.
Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to share the feedback. So with Kidsy, everything is very good. So like यहाँ का staff, यहाँ की curriculum, यहाँ का infrastructure, even with our kids, we used to go that just jumping GIP on every weekend because मेरे son को वो बहुत पसंद है. But last time when we visited that sector 48, we thought the setup is already there. So my son, like इसके लिए वो second home बन चुका है. There's no need to go anywhere. उसने jumping जाना भी छोड़ दिया है. वो mostly अपने school में इतना enjoy करता है. Even I was wondering why he's every time asking that मुझे school जाना है और every time he's ready और happily जाता है. Happily वहाँ से आता है. Then we saw okay, so this is the reason. Major चीज़ कि यहाँ पर Kidsy में so like Rohit sir, Rimi ma'am, Akansha ma'am, and Rahi ma'am and other ma'am, Muslim ma'am के नाम शायद clearly नहीं जानती but face से मैम को recognize करती हूँ. उन सबका इतना सपोर्ट है कि एवरी टाइम मुझे कुछ भी इश्यूज कभी आते ही नहीं है. दे आर लाइक वन टेक्स्ट अवे. इवन मुझे कभी कुछ छोटी सी भी क्वेरी है, मैं जस्ट एक सिंगल टेक्स्ट करती हूँ. रोहित सर के साइड से, रिमी मैम के साइड से मुझे जनरली एक सिंगल रिप्लाई आ जाता है. तो इट इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. इवन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस स्कूल, मैंने वो कैमरा एक्सेस लिया एंड विद माई वर्क आई यूज टू वॉच दैट कैमरा कि मेरा बेटा क्या कर रहा है. एवरी डे आई एम सीइंग कि वो इंजॉय करता है, वो खाता है, पीता है, वो गेम खेलता है, वो पूरे दिन इंजॉय करता है. मुझे पता चल गया कि इसको वापस से देखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि ही इज़ वेरी मच इंजॉइंग इन द स्कूल. एंड द नेक्स्ट चीज़ जो मैंने बहुत अच्छी ऑब्जर्व की स्कूल के साथ में कि लाइक अभी 3-4 ओकेशन जो इवेंट हमने इन्जॉय किए, लाइक आपका जन्माष्टमी फेस्ट एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे का वीडियो देखकर आई वाज क्राइंग. लाइक एक छोटे से बच्चों को कितने इमोशनल तरीके से किड्जी सेक्टर ने वो चीज़ें बताई. आई वाज सीइंग कि लाइक एक बच्चा, वो दादी जो बच्चे इस कैरेक्टर में इन्वॉल्व थे, बच्चों को उस कॉस्ट्यूम में पहना के वो स्टोरी टेलिंग जो चल रहा था, एक छोटा सा बच्चा वो दादी के साथ बैठ के स्पेशली जो उनके पैर दबा रहा था, वो इमोशनल मोमेंट हम जो घर में रह के शायद बच्चों को उतना नहीं दे पा रहे, बच्चे स्कूल में सीख रहे हैं. सो इट्स लाइक अमेजिंग फीलिंग. एंड फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं अपने बेटे को परफॉर्म करते देखूंगी भी, और उसके लिए भी मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. एंड आई एम नर्वस के व्हाट ही विल डू. एक मन की बात जो मैं आज शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. सो एज अ वर्किंग मदर इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. आई एम सॉरी. आई वॉज वेरी वरीड कि मेरे बेटे को मैं वो टाइम कैसे दे पाऊँगी, कैसे वो सीखेगा, कैसे उसको पढ़ना सिखाऊंगी. बट किड्जी बिकम अ सेकंड होम फॉर हिम. लाइक मैं अपने बेटे को थोड़ा सा ही टाइम दे पाती हूँ. बट ही स्टार्टेड लाइक, मैं उसको बोलती हूँ हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, मेरा बच्चा मुझसे बोलता है कि मम्मा आप कलर खेलें, वो कलर मुझे बताता है. हम लेटर लिखना सीखें, वो लेटर लिख के मुझे सिखाते हैं. तो इट्स लाइक अ सेकंड होम. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच किड्जी स्टाफ, सारे टीचर्स, कि मैं टेंशन फ्री हूँ कि मेरा बेटा बहुत सही जगह है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir and ma'am. And now we move on to a classic that teaches us about bravery and cleverness. Our next performance is a delightful story that has been told and loved for generations. Little Red Riding Hood. Join us as we follow her journey through the woods. And remember, always be brave but not wise. Let's welcome our little stars on the stage.
Little Red Riding Hood skipped through the woods, skipped through the woods, skipped through the woods. Little Red Riding Hood skipped through the woods with a skippity skippity skip, skip, skippity skippity skip, with a skippity skippity skip, skip, skippity skippity skip. Little Red Riding Hood met a hairy wolf, met a hairy wolf, met a hairy wolf. Little Red Riding Hood met a hairy wolf, and she stops to say hello, hello. She stops to say hello. She stops to say hello, hello. She stops to say hello. Who are you going to see, Red Riding Hood? I'm going to see my granny. And where does your granny live, Red Riding Hood? Along the path in the woods. Would you like
don't know how to start because I haven't prepared any speech so far. But I'm just going to say what is in my heart. I was looking for schools when my kid was 2.5 years old, and we found Sector 48 branch Kidzi as the first option that we wanted to try. We met the school, that was the first year the school was actually getting started. So we were also a little skeptical whether the school would be able to meet up to the expectation, whether our kids will actually love going to the school. But the management agreed, and they actually convinced us that my child will be taken well care of. And we initially even had the camera access, but then later I saw that he was enjoying thoroughly in the school. We from the second day itself, he didn't said that I don't want to go to school. He was the one who said, Mama, let's go to school, let's drop me school. And now also every day, he's the one who's first of all standing at the gate. Let's take me to the school. So that's, I think, a kind of joy that is always there on his face. Whenever we are even crossing the road of the school, he says, Mama, my school, this is Kidzi Sector 48. And I think I am seeing tremendous growth in his personality. What I was looking for was not curriculum. I was majorly looking for a nurturing environment and something wherein my kid go and every day enjoys. That's the only motto that me and my husband had. My husband couldn't attend this event today because he has a business trip, but he's really looking forward, and he's saying, just keep all the videos for all the acts, and I want to keep viewing them later. So that's, I think, thank you for giving us this initiative to an event wherein we can really see. This is the first performance that I am seeing my kid performing on the stage, and I think I'm really thoroughly enjoying this, and I couldn't be grateful for the management. Thank you, Rimi ma'am, Rohit sir, Kansha ma'am, for taking care of the child so well that I am thoroughly, relaxed at home, at my office, that my kid is being taken care of. Thank you so much.
As old as time, a magical story of love, courage, and transformation. Get ready to witness the enchanted world of Beauty and the Beast. Sit back and let the magic unfold.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, shall we dance? I love you. I love you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, hold my hand. I love you. I love you. I want somebody who loves me forever. Don't be afraid of me, I'll love you forever. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, I love you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, shall we dance? I love you. I love you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, hold my hand. I love you. I love you. I want somebody who loves me forever. Don't be afraid of me, I'll love you forever. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, I love you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, shall we dance? I love you. I love you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, hold my hand. I love you. I love you. I want somebody who loves me forever. Don't be sad, darling, I'll love you forever. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, I
verses. Let's give a huge round of applause to our wonderful performers for bringing this timeless story to life. Now, I would like to invite Kabir's mother to the stage and share some few kind words about our organization.
I am Kabir's mother, and I would like to say thank you to Kidzi staff, ma'am, Nikita ma'am especially. They helped my child very well. Actually, in starting of the school, my child is not ready to go to school. He said, Mama, I don't want to go to school. Please, Mama, I don't want to go to school. But after a few days, he is ready to go to school now. He learned so many things from the school. Whenever at home, I asked him, Kabir, from where you have learned this thing? He said, Mama, I have learned from my ma'am. So I would like to say thank you to especially Nikita ma'am, because he helped my child very well. So taking care of my child, I'm just saying thank yous to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Navika.
And thank you so much for every teacher. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट करते हैं, बहुत कोऑपरेटिंग है. मतलब मेरी बेटी पहले इतना शाय थी, वो जाना ही नहीं चाहती थी स्कूल, किसी से बात ही नहीं करती थी. बट बाद में वो 3-4 दिन 5 दिन उसे लगे, मैंने मतलब स्कूल में बैठना भी बंद कर दिया. 2 से 3 दिन में वो बहुत अच्छे से सेटल हो गई एंड बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म भी कर रही है. मैंने अभी देखा, मुझे लग भी नहीं रहा था वो परफॉर्म करेगी. जितना वो शाय है, बस फिंगर डाल के मुँह में खड़ी हो जाती है. बट वेरी मतलब ऑल ओवर जो डेवलपमेंट है उसकी ग्रोथ हो रही है, वेरी नाइस. एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
One and all present here. It's good afternoon now, so good afternoon one and all present here. And I'm feeling so proud to see our little kids here. Some are performing, some are just enjoying, and some are surprised to see lights and all, and they are playing with the things and the props. So we just want to see them on stage, and they are doing very good. I can see the happy faces there, the joy and happiness on the faces of the parents. So thank you so much, and special thanks to Rohit sir, Mukta ma'am for supporting us, and to the parents for providing the encouragement and the support to their kids. And I want to thank to the teachers also, because without them it was impossible. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We will now proceed with the dispersal. Request you all to be patient meanwhile.
Parents, I request you be patient for the dispersal also. We will do the dispersal as per the class wise. So after the dispersal, you have to exit from this door. Okay, and we have maintained a selfie booth for you all people. So be there. We are our photographer. We have organized out there to have a small clips of this special moments Okay, so I request all of you to be there for the selfie point also after taking the child. Thank you.